Mosha kanjani bathini Disemotrain 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 Disemotrain
I know I know you, but I know like I know like cause at the bottom start doing it's been nice being ngoko and all that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, also like we meet in the streets, but like, hey, what's up, man? Like, then it's not rolling in, like, yo, what's up? You good? I'm nice, sharp, clean, like, like, oh, the song, bro, oh, it's perfect, boy, like, just like,
yeah.
And we never even said, but like, yo, my sense track together, no, cause other ways, I hate those chats, like. Chats of the groove. Yo, my sense track.
Yeah, Zina, so no one is gonna follow up that shit.
If someone says to you, I'm chiming, but my sense track, just know I was against
buy no so pagati.
Oh,
nah,
I was against so. And I'm the soul I once did that shit from yes. I said it last year, bro, but. Bottom shit. What's he like? Yo, sends EP dog, 4-track EP. When it's November now, dog. I call him me
for sure. Nah, he was in it.
Yeah. Even hit me up like
yes.
When he hit me up 3 months ago, like yo, loyalty. But still saying the EP like it's November, dog. So.
Hey, bro.
Don't ever say that to him, Chivin. This was in the gala organic.
But the credit is part of entertainment. I'm Chivin. Yeah, it's entertainment.
But yeah, dog. Hey, welcome to Emotraining. All the time. This is a special episode.
Okay.
This is a special episode. Pete artist YETHU. That's all my dog. Hitmaker, dog. Performer every weekend, this nigga got a gig, dog. Every weekend, this nigga got a gig, bro. Like, boy, iFIKILE Idyan, dog.
Yeah.
I'm so in love. Mr. Populating, dog. Hey, yo, dog.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, man. This is not just any episode. This is the best episode. But I'm gonna take this away. Yeah, let me just chill.
Was part of was okay guest best episode. Like I've done episodes, but wait, this is the best.
This is
Guessing I is feeling, but yeah.
I can feel it, dog. This is not just any other episode, dog. This is the best, bro. On a real note, maybe it's the best episode today. Yeah, man, we can't say the best. There's still gonna be another day, bro.
Yeah.
Still gonna be another day, but yeah, I'm fair to LIKOUR M, dog. YETHU. Can I say YETHU hitmaker, dog? Or hitmaker? Or
is it a hit?
Oh yeah, for me, dog. That track was released like 2 years ago, ne?
Yeah, it's been 2 years.
2 years ago, but still, I pay for my work. Let me say it's a classic Yasikas.
Yeah.
But it's still a hit, though. It's still a hit, though.
Cause abanye bameli bali gama lami ngoko senibisa ngityana. I'm like, yeah, but sure, bro.
I know that shit, bro. I don't know it like the way you do, but cause the bunny hit, but yeah, but yeah. Maybe like he has one and no like but Idyan is a hit. Another track, like I heard it before it was even released, and to be correct, bengekho D-Max pa bengekho no Ndero bekufana.
That's not the original. Oh wow, where's the original?
Yeah.
You know the original.
I know that shit.
Private information, bruh. So it's within the circle.
Yeah, so I'm like, yo. But like after some like few months, then I have to yo YETHU. I'm like, actually I won't lie. Like first listen, like, yo, this is a hit. Like, yo.
Hey, bro.
Yo, what was going on?
Track.
Like, where did you get the beat? Like, well, how did it come about? Like, the original track, but like the whole process where you got the speed, got this shit.
The whole process, bro. Yo. I feel like in the ekran it takes time, man.
Cause it took time.
Langoma took time. Cause Langoma took 2 years.
I get it. That's why
like it's been 2 years of booming, but it took 2 years before it boomed. Yeah, because now as Bauchelo,
I know it
originally. Langoma was supposed to be me and Fan. Yeah, Fan was a manje. I got a beat and like. Kodala must say I've been doing music. I've been doing music in English. Yeah, I've been rapping in English, and then I remember we had this chat in Dimongofana no Tarua.
Yeah,
OG. Shout out to Mr. Ru. Always.
Shout out to the OG.
N04. Yeah. Like we had this chat, but like Lika, rap and jam. We get it on Swimbo. Yeah, but only a few of us understand you lyrical. Yeah. Cause I'm accommodating other people. Yeah. Other people basikas. Meet them halfway. Nababandu baki upper class. Up off. Let me not look down.
Like English is taught. Trying to be just in between.
Be in between.
Catering basically.
Yeah.
For everyone.
Catering for everyone.
For everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's how the song came about. Tough Money beat, and then I was like,
was it your first song where like you're catering for everyone? Like, cause
in his course,
it
was my first.
Yeah.
Dog,
I don't even have a hit. I just think my first song. But yeah, that was lit, dog.
But I'm not sure about his course because their mix up on the puppy face.
And we say pay for money. Let track lang but like if the track comes on right now,
I must.
It's a hit. And I believe Kokona music video like.
Music video, yeah.
Where's it opening camera like music video like?
Hey bro. Call the music video.
But I got trolled. Okay, yes, we can.
Now music video and it's been dropped, but because if you must know, music video was was shot by or Creative Control. Was shot by Creative Control, and then they only released a music video for members as well. So if you're following a music video, you have to subscribe to Creative Control.
So it's under it's under the Creative
membership
Control.
It's
under the Creative Control network, ne?
But under the membership.
Under the membership.
So you don't just subscribe, you have to subscribe to a membership, of which I think it's like 10 to 20 rand a month. That is cheap.
When you content the buy-ins are the same, like you can't remember like where like content where you get like membership only, ne?
Get it.
But
the private content was papa for him.
Because I make shit Kunalawi was released
for members only.
And that's some exclusive shit, dog. Cause that's a fucking hit, dog. Like, but
it forces you to go.
You gotta do anything you gotta do for that track, dog.
And numbers is low, so it's the only way we know how to make money, bro.
But like, did you have a say, or are you happy with that decision or not?
Yeah, I am happy.
Happy with the decision. Okay. Let's go, bro.
So you came to Creative Control.
But like, how did you enter Creative Control, by the way? Like, how did
they enter?
Like, how did everything come about? Because Lena, you've been here, John. I see you, dog. Like, I see the moves you make, dog. I know you. This nigga makes moves, dog. This nigga makes moves.
You making moves. I'm gonna try by all means to be close to it. If I have to go there, come to event.
What do you do? You just go there, like, yo, like every weekend. This nigga is at like a gig, But it's like you must connect, dog. Boy,
Yeah.
I see what you do, like.
Life is all about connections.
Even before the episode you started, you tell like you gotta just make connections, dog. Like,
Exactly.
you know. So I get it, dog. So back before singing it too deep. We're sitting in creative control right now.
Yeah. How I came about creative control. Creative control. Actually, they found me.
Yeah.
They found me, but they, truthfully speaking, because creative control. Say vested into a podcast.
It's not just podcast, it's a network, dog. It's like a network.
It's a whole network.
It's a network. I like that shit, bro.
With battles, actually.
Yeah.
Battles.
How did you know the niggas? How did you meet the niggas?
There's a lady that does e makeup.
Yeah.
Of which she's a childhood friend. Like Sekule Songe. She's a friend since way back.
Yeah.
Yeah, Precious come like she does a makeup for
Shout out to Precious.
So, yeah, shout out to Precious.
Yo, Precious looks precious, even though I've never seen Precious before.
But yeah, because she's like a family friend. So she approached me, I think after their first episode?
Yeah.
First battle rap event they had was between Mola and Sims. I didn't even know that creative control exists. I didn't even know anything.
So it was like a battle rap thing.
Yeah, up until actually that battle rap found me.
Yeah.
Because Precious approached me, but no man. Tiakwazi artist, to a rapper. There's this thing, Esienza Unitimium, which is called creative control. Senza S battles. Are you keen? I was like, bro, I've been in love with a battle rap way before I started rapping, way before I even thought of it.
For real, dog?
Bro, I fell in love with battle rap way before. Yeah.
Laker.
Bruh. So I was like, me battling.
Let's go. We wasn't like, when was it? What year was it? Like, what year was it?
It was 2 years ago.
Okay, 2 years ago, because I've known the talent was by a rapper, but I didn't know you were like
battling. I'm a fan of battle rap, bruh.
Some real shit, dog.
I'm a fan. I follow every platform. Battle rappers. So it was 2 years ago. One approach her. It's like, no man, since I iFIKILE. So I saw. Yeah, are you keen? I was like, battling.
So that's how you started battle rapping.
Yeah, a tiny challenge. I was like, bring it on.
Bring it on.
I'm game. I'm in.
And then after that, boom, battle. Cause now first of all, Nanigwazi is like a rapper, dog.
Yeah.
Cause now I've known you, and like I feel like 2017, 2018, around those times. Pakuta X, man.
Yeah, Exaro. Shout out to Exaro.
Shout out to Exaro.
Just my whole EP.
Like I'm not new there, like, and now like this nahlala maybe session one. I would go there, do my shit and leave, and session and then, but I would hear your shit. I'm like, yo, there's some cool shit, like. But at the first time, I didn't think you would you were gonna carry on with this shit, because at the same time, like I still get school like pitching what, so you're academic at the same time and you're doing this shit. So I was like, maybe it's, I don't know, dog.
Yeah, well, and then it didn't make sense.
It didn't make sense, like it really. After school, I'm going to yeah, also I'm like, yo, this nigga busy nalewes. And then fast forward, and most of the time I'm bona apa sexual salem la.
Yeah.
So I before. Oh, like I used to see you pangasenyamin like if you know where the meat is, bro.
Yeah, and that's all about at the time, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah.
Brother.
And then fast forward, boom, Mr. Popularity, bro. Like, like I see you on post, I'm like, yo, okay, this nigga's serious about that shit. So when, like, sikvile better rapping. You did it like. But when did you actually start with rapping? What made you love rapping, and when did you start?
Yo, bro.
What year? Like, what situation were you in? We're like, okay, I'm rapping now.
Yes, you'd be shocked because ukula kwami nikhule ndingumjita shy, and I still am. I still am. I know it comes as a shock.
There's some places where like there are some places where like you are comfortable, free.
Yeah.
But there's some places where you're like, I'm shy.
Yeah.
But you do look like a shy person. But at the same time, go to this nigga Facebook and this nigga,
it will tell you a different story.
But it's just Facebook. It's just Facebook.
Facebook's it WhatsApp.
Yeah,
and come on, before you post even on that, what's on your mind? That's the question.
What's on your mind?
That's my mind.
Right
I'm crazy. I feel like I'm bipolar sometimes.
Me too, dog.
In this thing, I'm like, there's my name.
I'm crazy, dog. And I'm just putting it out there now, like.
Yeah, that's Pamanel, I'm not your man. But back to your question, like, yeah, but like way back. Can you believe, Bana? I first fell in love with choral music before hip hop. That's what I got introduced on. Yeah, boy.
Because the You what? PC,
exactly.
You're a PC, bro.
PC kid, bro.
Yeah. Pastor's PK. What's the PK? Yeah.
Pastor's kid, bro.
Whoa.
Serious. So I fell in love with choral music because Ebona like my image really stuff like that. I asked about coinly. Yes, sure. Every song you cook sasa kuzadlala imizulili yayazi.
Dog, have you noticed that umculo wakho sounds like umbhaqanga on a hip hop?
No, like I was like anything like that. Okay, I got hip hop. I'm like,
okay, man, I'm just joking, bro. I'm just joking.
But yeah, man.
Some fucking real shit, dog. Yes, tell us about.
Yeah, I fell in love with choral music.
Yeah, buy a rap time
Time knows. No, Zala.
But I'm not chinjagala. Like at the same time, I'm not chinjagala. But I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Well, I was pissed because I can see that you are doing well academically, and I see like my vision, like you know what you want. But at the same time, yeah, I'm not a father, dog. I'm being a fool. He's doing good, everything, like but let me change that. I wouldn't get pissed if I was a father because I can see it doing well.
I think he would be pissed if I had pursued a rapping career earlier on.
Yeah.
That's why in the Kalekat, I had to make sure that I make both my parents proud.
Yeah.
Before I graduate. So I'm the only graduate family, so it's like that.
Big ups, dog. Big ups, dog. Big ups. This is a graduate, nigga. First graduate on the show, nigga. First graduate.
Is that something I need to break?
Dog, I'm not even a graduate, dog. First graduate. On the real shit, dog. You're the first graduate on the show. Well done, dog.
It doesn't matter. You're a graduate. Yeah, I was my graduate, but still won't be successful. Yeah,
it's like that, bro. It's like that.
It depends, man.
But when you are going to success, bro, I can see it in you, bro. I can see it in you. But
see to see view alone.
Okay, I think I'm gonna crop it out.
Yeah,
but
yeah, man.
Back to that shit. Where did you start that shit?
So I fell in love with choral music, and then most as a caller, you make friends.
Yeah.
They introduce you into new things. They introduce you to Spaza actually. Spaza, yeah. Hip hop, Spaza, yeah. Cape Town music, because I call now Unchita Vuyo. Vuyo mchikam sisifana gqithi.
Yeah.
Ethanda umamela spaz. Yeah. Uphizo yonke lando. Yonke la Russia sekap back then.
Yeah.
Mamela la machit. And then I fell in love with ihlobo abarapha ngalo and yonke la way. I was like, I love hip hop. So I went deep, but I turned to research.
Yeah.
Listen to other people, fell
I
in
did
love.
some research too, dog. Like,
fell in love, girl, when hip hop got cool. Deep. I was like,
now when I fell in love with hip hop, I deleted every song on my fucking phone that was not hip hop.
That was like hip hop.
I'm listening to hip hop only now.
Yeah, I fell in love. So day in day out, hip hop, and then there's crowd music on the side. Yeah, it was then. And
when was the first day like you're on a rap session? Like, yo,
the rap.
First time I'm like, I'm actually doing this, bro.
Bruh, the first track was crap. The first song was crap.
Right,
you see, yo. What happened is, as Mosel, life goes on.
Yeah.
The Cypher City. As much as they would tell them go, I would usually like write. Because I used to love poetry. Yeah, well, I was as Tenglamdom now or Zatini. They shy, so I won't share anything.
I'm like, yo, they might not like this shit, man.
Keep it about to focus is what you look clever about nerd. Focus on what you nerd. Yeah. Chums up these are low nerds. Because bro, go this high school, I went.
Yeah, so
we were that time. Nah, bro. So after school, then because I'm the only black kid that's starting some. So
and perhaps you're not in the streets, essentially.
I come to park and
kids, boy, like outside, like yo.
Cooking man's cap on so abandoned my bonus scan. So yeah, I'm cool in shop.
But yeah.
So all I can do is listen to music, write poetry,
yeah, but be grateful that you grew up like that, because now you're like this, bro. Yeah. Imagine, because abanye bantu apha were free. Yo. Hey, John.
How fast to life as a luxury. The money go move up 2017. Because they move up 2017 December.
Yeah, kumnandi kasi poison in this life is fast, bro.
Real fast to life for love. So yeah, as man the money sees like you go met friends, because it pass here must say like 3:30 is called us promote.
Yeah.
I had like an hour and a half at Picasso.
Just to chill, like Picasso.
So it was cool. And then I met
abantu la
abaculayo, like ufana the
at
that time no ngacula at that time dababona nje machita
now bayenza la we
as bande in love with this baza. I got introduced to umculo wala pelokshini ngokonelithi lapha Womahai.
Yeah.
As man in high school, got introduced quick group we worked to H2 at the time.
H2 dog. Yeah. Oh Jesus, dog.
Yeah. The whole rush. So namamela umculo wabo amachita ndo azmus.
Yo, what does abenze kanyana kasi like
ibhekile back then.
Everybody knows Master Marvelous. Everybody thinks Master Marvelous Master Mama like everyone on the music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was another way?
Song is the Master Marvelous. No, nigga, this nigga from my hood, bro. But yeah, business is
too much back then.
Yeah.
And so and there's Asmus's niggas, and I think the time in Ghana, the woman that nigga was doing a metric.
Yeah.
Was doing a metric. Yeah. And he was the only one left to Kirashake.
Yeah.
Scared. Peter and Ambona, but yeah, we're not there. So I got introduced to Klamkulo back then. Fine. And then you go I had friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Who did this shit?
Like Ufana, you'd be surprised how we became friends. Ufana, there was this chick class in where you phone shush. Yeah, well. Sorry, I'm not to mom. I'm not to the one in 10 years. Look at that time.
Oh, no.
I get it. Like I did but otherwise, I'm mindless. I'm the band. Follow now. Hi. Fuck, because that's how they trouble. So the man touch on now. So they ask what to class now. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm touching on now.
You like Tasha? So he's making music at that time.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. I'm
Mazla.
Yeah, but apparently he was making music at that time. And
so what you're saying, were you ever introduced to this music studio?
No, not really. Not really, because I met him Elo Shobanji. Yeah. And then so Bestibane Lo Shobo Simano
sure, man.
And then there was his cousin that became my classmate. Ulutando. Ulutando steaks and cheese. And then I became friends. No, Ulutando Kakulu became friends. And was very close. So after school, a child she never called the time.
Then you try like this smoke?
No, I only started smoking after high school. I will try and silver seat.
Yeah,
ayo bro, abazali bami be straight ngikekes pain
don't smoke now. I'm not gonna smoke this whole life because you
that's a banana. Fuck you.
Nothing good.
They know now smoke.
Sorry, mom.
All of mama trying to then I to find out what it is. I'm sorry, party, yes. But yeah.
Graduate, no, like me.
That's a proud someone. People like for him. Yeah. But I met Utando, and then Utando, he's the one who introduced me to the rest of the people. Utando Bengatoli, he was just that guy, Osas friends with everyone.
Who makes this music?
Yeah,
bro, let's get.
So one day, so studio go Mr. Ro. That's how I met Mr. Ro for the first time.
The OG.
For the first time, met Mr. Ro. I go studio, met Wongum. They were from Tang, Molik. Yeah,
Tang, dog. The legend of Tang.
Yeah, all those niggas. Yeah. And no phone at one young family show. Yeah, but I was like, the Mauli youngs are the way you're too shy.
Yeah. Beauty got ex quota lawe.
So what happened is
because and all of a sudden bona got ex was it? Cut it short, make it short, nice and short.
So Utano, we're on intro to say much fine, but I didn't record at that time. Yeah. So and then I met with Yods was also my classmate.
Yonela Wolel?
Yeah, Wolel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Yods was also my classmate.
Nigga was clever, dog.
Yeah.
Be smart, ne? Be smart.
Yeah, be smart before like it, bro. Everyone is smart in their own ways.
Nigga was clever, bro. But yeah, dog.
So yeah, I met Yods introduced me to brother like Ulanoa.
Profound. Nah, yeah, I need him on this podcast.
So but better shala bonke pha ku profound endlini. Yods go profound no the small cute
D-Max, you gotta come on the podcast, man.
Shout out to D.
Shout out to D-Max.
That's how I got introduced to Shit. And at that time, Baba sends a EP.
Yeah.
So I'm that guy now about particular beats.
Yeah.
I'm hustling. Kangela bana benza beat, particular beats. Yeah. Otherwise, the man was palela pa kumqayela. I know you don't have confidence.
Yeah.
So shy, bro.
Yeah, 9 and 12 titika already
when I can focus on at that time just ever sit but kondi boya.
So you rap in varsity, nigga?
Yeah, I'm out of varsity, bro. Like actually like recording official.
Yeah.
Even he makes us have a in
Yeah, some people don't understand it. We do it for like as a hobby first. Like sometimes you know why you want to do it, but for now you just want to do it as like this. Yeah, but like, okay, if I keep on doing this shit, like if I enjoy doing this shit, there will be a time where like, okay, but just do it. Just do it.
Cause and yet you know being a funny ends up back then is because they asked my family.
Yeah, what's the I'm like,
you gotta be on my case.
Cause rappers are broke, dog.
Exactly.
Skis rappers, but y'all niggas is broke.
That's why
I'm broke too, bro. And I'm a rapper.
I'm not making money off music, bro. Imagine the sense of music is just
the only thing rap can do for you is as marketing. Like but like, you know what? I've got the fan base now. Get that bag right there. Deals. Yeah, boy. Build some fucking land. But you know what? You're marketing. You're in the face. People know you. Yeah. You know? And then you can do other things peacefully on the side.
Yeah.
But yeah. Back to on that shit. The varsity, bro.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I was like, yo, my first song was crap. Yeah, bro. Figure my kidney, I flopped.
Yeah.
The floppy hook. I'm like, hey, little bit of melody, how I was supposed to go.
Nah.
Yeah, what the floppy hook, that's everyone go project the hook for me.
Yeah.
Better yeah, bro. Yeah. But hey, it's about Mr. Roy Lalanga money 8 years. Nah, I'm not.
This is not it.
I was like, this is the shit I was afraid of.
Nah,
so it's self-confidence. Yeah, I was like, no man, I must. I didn't failure.
Yeah,
I don't like failing, bro. I don't like failing. Oh, I'm not gonna fail in the car. Also, on that day, I failed in the car, bro.
For real, dog.
Right.
Yeah, amazing, dog.
For real.
I was only like
you just want the car. The car.
Yeah.
The car. That was vanilla. The car.
Skis like. Sorry, bro.
I was like, okay.
I'm not turn your band. I'm not first time recording. Yeah, dog. I on the mic and I'll repeat. Yeah, man, chong, I love it. You need to run. Tenga pamba, nigga spa. You funny. I can feel. I got spa. Tenga can boo ya. Here, chong on the mic. Again, and I ends mess, dog. I'm like, yo, this is the shit. This is the shit. Yo, like my first song was lit, dog. I won't lie. But I now, yo. But back here.
That's how I got to.
That's how you started rap, making music.
Yeah. That's how I got to the X.
Yeah.
Because I don't like failing, first of all.
And the crowd doesn't need to lie. I don't want to be.
And one of them that's all like, can't find the solution. Okay, they're not gonna take you serious. Yeah. Okay. That sends a plan. Like, no, man. Record elsewhere or figure the project. You're like, this is me. Let's work. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Wait.
Like the first time I recorded the EP fully.
And then we were some
I recorded
like I won't lie, that's the studio way. Like on the stage, go in there, record my fucking music, release it, pay your fucking fee, dog. Now,
do you know the first song I recorded with the
Gabe?
Populate.
Whoa! I think that's a naive upon the track, but I think you on that via we ends like in the fake we ends.
Populate was the first track.
Populate. That's what your first track.
It was the first track I did with the X. Yeah.
But before that, Buna's in your tracks there. But that's what your first hit, like track. Well, like this is the official track I'm releasing.
That kind of intro, and then that became the first song I recorded.
I see. So like. Fast forward, Coco no. Album. I see like this nigga, you can even get this nigga on Google, dog. Search Likaya, you can get him there, dog. But yeah, like which one do you like doing the most? Performing the music or making the music, making the song? Like, which one do you like, recording or performing? Which one do you like the most?
The most.
Yeah.
Recording, bro.
Recording, dog.
Writing the song, creating.
Yo, dog. Yeah. When you cut the flow, when you got it, like, you know, yeah, man, Charlie, track, like.
I would prefer creating than performing.
I won't lie, man. I'm in the love just for performing, dog. I actually like, but like, yo, in the crowd doing that shit, and I don't know.
Like what capella. That's why most of my songs, as I like, so perform on a crowded, like
a rowdy crowd, like rowdy. I'm a rock star, baby. But but you've been performing like,
that's why it's a man.
Like I won't lie, dog. We're not like you performer, like yo, every week this nigga's performing, dog. Like left, right, and center, dog. How do you do it, dog? Like wasn't Jana one no like who hit you up? Because I even saw you when you were BT Victor Alawe about sex. Port Elizabeth hip hop. How did you get into these sections, dog? Like. Now la majita creative control nabo loko zenza lo ka Bay TV and shit.
Bekho ku Bay TV.
Okay.
Bekho. But how that bananjani otando phuma.
Kanye dale like into yakudala le.
Yeah, that was way before
okay.
Way before even creative control.
I see. Okay, let's skip that a bit. Let's skip that a bit. So, how did LIKOUR M come about, dog?
The name?
Yeah, the LIKOUR M, dog.
The name?
Yeah, bro. What's your real name, dog?
Actually, LIKOUR M is based on my real name. Because I'm LIKOUR.
LIKOUR.
Yeah, that's my same name.
Yeah.
That's what my M stands for. My June.
LIKOUR M. I see, come you know what, man, LIKOUR M.
Nah, I just name my own actually.
Who named you, dog?
I'd say
why? What's the reason, dog? Did you love LIKOUR, dog?
No, man, there was this one time, like El Kamali figure from varsity actually.
Oh, LIKOUR.
I was at varsity.
LIKOUR. You call it like la better rap yaka, like I'm gonna do you like an overdose, like a liquor overdose, bro. And yeah, I'm not saying it properly, but
oh yeah, I remember the line.
Yeah, but LIKOUR, you say like only one like LIKOUR.
Yeah.
Oh, well, what's up, LIKOUR? What's up, LIKOUR? Been listening to your songs lately, dog. Like, I had to do some research, dog. That track, I'm so in love. Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
That nigga right there, Balam Shitana whiskey.
Yeah, man.
Melikai, I mean, yo.
Melkai whiskey.
Nigga sings, bro. Like,
that's my cousin. Shout out to Mel.
Nigga sings. I'm so in love,
bro. Like,
so in love, like, it's your latest track, man. And how's it doing, dog? Like, yeah, you perform out there, or perform on you don't perform it that way.
That track, we've performed it 2 times.
But it's more like an intimate track,
This was such a
you don't perform like. How did it come about? If you can like. If you can, did you give him the beat, or how did the song come about?
How the song came about? Actually, I wrote the whole song. Yeah,
even the hook, bro.
Yeah, I wrote the whole song.
If I didn't say it in the intro, he's a writer too, bro. Songwriter, singer, songwriter, dog.
Yeah.
Cause that's a beautiful track, dog. I won't lie. Yeah, he mix. You're not even just making one like song. You don't just do hip hop. You just even do R&B. Even though like we're rapper, panak, but you like is versatile.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, most versatile, and you're one of the hottest artists at Picasso, like, because every weekend.
I would say, some of the miles.
I pay all my like who like. I won't lie, dog. What 18 is senior so when it comes to rap. against gimmicks, dog. I think you are doing the shit like no god body because our ciphers, Master Marvelous, they are doing their shit right there. But besides that, like come on, like okay beats, no slime, no tando, no OG. But I don't think like a corny movement like a guy poem or like even okay there is. Fuck, I'm wrong. On the air or like now like actually I feel like okay there's a music scene only. It's not a hip hop scene. It's like a music scene.
But when they and I were the same camp, so
yeah. So and actually let me not say
he moves, I move.
Happy Walmer going to get next, but these niggas are doing shit. Can't be a call, let me say, cause it can't be a yo dog about the cakes, dog. Dero like I feel like you the only niggas who are doing shit. Yeah, even me, unrated dog anymore. I'm not even in the scene, dog. I'm out of mind. Yeah, but so I feel like kings and these are no stools, no 1,000. So I was getting a lot of traction over there. I feel like nin fucking check shows and fit.
Bro, anytime
fucking
welcome.
shows like chain opening
like bruh. Kukho esi stigma man, especially apha Homa apha stigma ba iARTIST bane pride.
Yeah.
Like you just started, you have one song but with pride.
Ne pride
like Bani akho mntu who's bigger than omnye apha. The way to success is teamwork.
And yeah, what you're doing is that
like
we need each other. We can't do this shit alone.
So baba opportunity izazela kuwe mnyango izaba ukuhlela endlini. You go and find it.
You go there.
You go and find it.
That's the lesson for me, dog.
I came to each and event. Welcome to the event.
Yeah, he wants to be.
At least one song that I know. The figure I don't care performing for 5 people or 6 people. Na yazi bangom so la organize ngiyamkhumbula.
Ngizokutacha amanjona.
Na campaign fake. Hayi man, sikhona slot awufuna ungena.
Yeah mo. Yeah, nyankani ngibhokeni machidas.
Bro, everywhere.
Yeah. But get like on the real, like okay, asking about your music, dog. Like Apikasi, who are your favorite? Who's your top 5 rappers, Apikasi? Who would you say you're like Susbala and you're number 1 on the list? So who's I feel like I'm not saying you're number 1 in the official list, but in your list you gotta be number 1. You gotta be number 1 in your list, bro.
Ye confidence.
It was feel la way.
By ye confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah, rapper young. I'm the best. I'm the best. Okay, Konga Pokwa.
And I feel like it's a stereotype. I'm not like that. I'm not the best, bro. I'm not the best. For me, I feel like I'm not like. I know what I want out of your rap. So if I get that, I'm good. I feel. When you're performing and then the crowd get permanent, and then they say P, yo dog, that's the best feeling ever, dog. Like when they say repeat that shit again, bro. So that's why but when we have different views. We have different views.
Best feeling from good performance at Pimal.
Yeah.
And we say kick free.
Yeah. But I like what you're doing, guys. You guys like entertainment in like Nipinena are like properly, dog, in the game. Cause every weekend and the with gigs, people go to these gigs
to support.
And people know you, but like
it's
yo,
wild, crazy.
I want to listen to LIKOUR. But Shai's keepers are dog. He even sound like t-shirts, dog. If you
we franchise, we building.
So like I like what you niggas is doing. Slack here is a tour, dog. Yo, it was fucking awesome. Paga sports, dog. Been here party, yo, dog. Sounds lit. That nigga's a celebrity, dog. Celebrity is a gas, like been in touch like we Facebook, but my guys interview, but he didn't read my messages.
Yafana naye. Cousin wamba no ma.
Okay. Okay, there. But yeah, you know what? Let me be. This is not the last episode me and you are gonna have. So I just want to ask you, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Like, where do you see yourself with this rap shit, dog? Because you see, we're not like, let me not spill it out. Like, you know what? You're a graduate. You're good. You just need to invest in yourself. So where do you see yourself maybe in the next week? Because you like Idyan. I'm so in love. I like track a feature basics go. It's a little track I was listening to your track. So
basics was basics.
Track I was listening yeah. That's a mingle like line no.
Huh?
He was telling me about a track that you haven't released, but you were performing. Last line or something like that about Chicks Day.
Oh, timing,
yeah. Last timing and shit. Like so, like, where do you see yourself in the future, man? Like, you know what? I like it when people speak things into existence. It's lit, dog.
Oh. Yeah. So where do I see myself in 5 years?
Maybe in the future though. Where do you see yourself with the rap shit, dog? Like, do you just do it for fun, or do you wanna make a career out of it? Even though you know you have a side career. That's what rappers should take from you. You gotta make sure you back up, and then you can pursue your fucking real ass dream. Something to fall up on. And this nigga got something to fall up on, dog. If he doesn't make it in a rap game. Yeah, more. So like, where do you see yourself with this rap shit?
Bro, I rap in the answer for the love of it. For the love of it. So
wherever it takes you, you're there.
But on the other side, I know Ban is born and they've been 5 years.
And you're performing like what are your what's your highlight when it comes to gigs, dog? What's the best place you've ever performed in, dog? Like
your highlight, I think would be Kerkut.
Kerkut, ne? These niggas go everywhere, dog.
Kerkut.
And I'm not part of the circle.
Reason why Kerkut anze iphenlele andingene ndawona kwinto zabantu.
So before we close it, I just want to, where's my lighter, nigga?
Say closer.
Oh, say closer for me. Still got some time. Oh, funny closer then. How funny?
Sounds so early, bro. I can put in the top 5 like as in the questions.
Okay, masi. Okay, as you know, the top 5 yeah. What's your top 5, nigga? Yes, a warmer like.
You must just be besem kouta nje ba.
Okay, no stress. Say kata.
And mind, mine a top 5. Yeah. And mind.
Like, okay, we're gonna chop it up, ne?
Yeah.
I'll say chop, Paul. Let me turn. Say kata ongale.
Say kata. Ana ulika around, but too much.
Okay. No stress. Like,
but bambala man abandoned that. Doing it for me.
Yeah.
And I would say, ebona into enqabeleyo kwi rappers iskakhulu. Ilaba your consistency.
Yeah.
Maninzi amajita dope.
But they don't just do it all the time.
Dope. Yeah. Mocho maninzi amajita apekazi that are even doper than Okespa.
Yeah.
On your vest. Maninzi of amajita.
Consistent. But at the same time, I feel like it's production, dog. Like, yo, production as a gas sucks, bro. Sometimes the people like ain't fit, man. Abanye don't afford some good productions, dog. Nemo. Abanye can't afford to pay for like pure. Funny, the reason why I'm saying this, artists are good. super good lines, mnandi. You can see the vision and shit. It's just that how the shit is presented. That's my take. Jongo Smamani unjani? Remember? Smamani like sounds professional. Look at Aries. Aries doesn't sound professional like Mngolo Wake.
What do you mean doesn't
like
sound
it
professional?
sound that way. Like I don't know if it's song Aries. Like it's not like Ngati needs a producer like a good ass producer. Way big clear sound like. Compared to Smamani, Aries is nothing. Compared to Nestis is nothing when it comes to sounding music. But he has substance in his music. Yeah, move about it. But at the same time, it's not like international shit. Okay, let me not say that shit, but fuck it back to the cuss shit, bro.
Nah, the people sound analytically, boy.
Like, listen to a Smamani song and even quality, yeah, your dog.
Aries so great in terms of equality.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the same level.
It's not the
you're
same.
just listening to two different styles.
It's like the quality, dog. Like
Quality.
it's all about equality. Like smooth,
It's clear.
smooth. Like Nyani, like Smamani doesn't need a good track. Or Nasty C, my competition on Smamani. Nasty C can come up with a good track and it sound grand. Aries can come up with a nice ass track. The sound doesn't link in together like how it's produced. The producers like, yeah, I feel like he needs good as producers, but fuck yeah, actually, yeah. But I'm a slime, dog. I'm a slime, dog. What do you think about what's happening lately, dog? Like the Ismamani shit, dog. We like, and I don't promote, and I mean promoting bottles just to get on a live rig. Oh. And then like no ya poster give another like picture of Aries pete air. What do you think about that situation, dog?
I'm as next kind of situation.
Where the nigga from, bro? Okay, back to your shit, dog. Back to your shit.
I only follow music. I follow nothing that's boasting about.
Yeah, bro.
That's me. I can get great, bro. Yo.
Yeah.
Kwenzima.
But yeah, okay, back to that URC ciphers, dog. I remember when I was young, like ciphers. So in URF, dog.
Yeah,
yo, dog. Dog, when I went there, dog, I went too late. Been familiar, and I would see everyone, dog. And then when I came there to a half of the B-way equipment, like,
bro. Life,
yeah.
Shit happens, bro.
Yeah. Hey, cause now I feel what drop some lines, rap, nigga. Na rap upon a like, come on, na rap. No was on get one. I mean, when that feel about the roll, this nigga made me rap. Come on, scans are rap, and in la way. It's man rap, la way. On a rap, la way. It's kiss and shaya. Yeah, bona clearly la way. So under like, but yo, that shit was lit, dog. Yo, that shit was lit, dog.
Like he
must be a grand dog, and then a band dog.
Yo, for the vision I had for it,
and it was good. The sound be crazy, like. Quality. I wanted to be on that shit, dog. So how was the journey, dog?
For Yona? Like, bro,
like where? How did you want one? Tell us about the vision, dog. Tell us about the vision, bro.
Like, and even vision as a penny boy is gonna happen. It was starting from 2020.
Nah, man, I want to do that, dog. I want to do something like that, dog.
Like,
we gotta do these things, dog.
As been chilo kwekala ba kukho ingxaki apha kuthi. You need, yabo.
Yeah, you need.
Yeah. Ngoku umane ngilami uthanda usebenza nabantu. I don't care who you are as long as
you want to work. Nah, I want to work. As long as you want to work, dog. Yeah. When you niggas don't want to do shit, bro.
There are people that turn me down. Abantu abakhulu kwi hip hop apha home.
Yeah.
Like, so man, grand. But as the thing, it progresses. If the same people came back, but yeah, they wanna let movement, man.
Cayennes.
the spot. But unfortunately, we only shot 3 episodes.
And now, and no, but I don't think Buzo was like when we're not doing, when we sit by the way, you just come in.
I was approaching everyone. The door is open.
The door is open.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, chicken. The
door is open, dog. Like I feel like I'm like, you know what?
I don't care,
yeah, but
the intentions is about what your vision is. My vision is.
Yeah, bro.
Let's work together.
I want that shit to come back, bro. So I want to do that shit, bro. You can even hit me up, dog. We're so free every weekend. Nothing to I live the retail life. Yeah, bro, but not now. Let's give it our time. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Sending an idea. But the ideas, bro.
But I love that shit, dog. Like, my boo, you love you. So,
if it's a boy, but in a different way.
Yeah, it's gone.
In a different way. It's a boy, but different.
So, like, I just want to play a game with you, bro. Play a game. So, you're going to choose. One must go.
One must go.
One must go, bro. One must fire.
Understand the messengers. You're talking about personal. If Bukele and your name gets chosen,
yo,
Olika yamuyakuthanda. Masambe. I don't care. Bayayazi abantu. Umuntu wakho. Yethu yo. Oh, under 18 no.
Under 18. No. 18 and over.
18 and over. Bayawazi. But it is what it is. But rap stage.
Okay, before say go we must start to rap. When it comes to rap, when it comes to battle rap, how many battles have you won and how many battles have you lost? Drink that shit, boy. Drink that shit. Lika.
I've had 10 battles.
Whoa.
See, 10 battles or something.
Yeah. Did you watch the one that goes at Sikule and reacted? Yeah, go to that shit, bro.
I've had 10 battles. I lost my first battle.
Skis hard king.
Even though.
Why we now, nah?
No, they did the performance, but then they lose.
I get it.
Yeah, that was the first battle. My second battle was with who?
But it's
debatable because some people feel like I won against Mola. Some people feel like I lost. Yeah.
I see.
So
you lost your first two battles.
I feel like I killed Mola clean.
Yeah.
The thing is, Galoko at that time. So everyone. And I was the only one a warmer.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm the one who reduced a battle rapper. Oh, teaming and now option and everything.
That's the nigga. First one to do it in warmer, nigga.
What crowd? It was only people. If you go back to episodes of the Critical Control battle rap, you will see.
Yeah.
So he was their camp.
I see.
They feel like he won, but.
Got body now. Who won that one?
God body won clean. Nah, they admit.
Okay. God body.
I came unprepared. But to explain that a loss is a loss.
God body, boys. Yeah. That's a legend right there, but gay.
But I'll finna wait for a rematch.
We need a rematch, dog. We need a rematch.
Yes.
We need a But Alika, like, I see that shit. You be killing them niggas, dog. That one you gonna stab them with a fucking pencil in the neck, bro.
We're not supposed to battle, bro.
Didn't battle this one against the
both our opponents.
Opponents
pulled out to Z2, so we had no chance.
Yeah.
We're the only free agents. Let's take it out. Even the option was I've bailed them.
Have you otherwise are you good with all God body? Are you on good terms?
He's my guys.
Option
Option AC. Hola up.
Hola bom.
Inshayam leyana inayo.
Yeah bom.
Ayachisa amateka ayachisa.
Fun hola bom option AC.
Hlala bom option.
Hlala bom.
Hlala bom phezulu. Federation so.
A nigga from
bro, that nigga record.
Andiyazi la nigga zange ndibona phana la.
I saw la episode goku ni reactor ku battle rappers they crazy.
Yeah.
You're like option. I think what's the one?
I don't know that.
Lala Muidia.
Yeah, let go home dog.
Sapetlisha so it way back.
Fair too. For real, dog.
2 years back, yeah.
But I like he was lit when he came there to that shit and the whack pan attitude. But you good, bro. But on just that episode, bro.
Why you bring up the attitude?
I like.
Okay, just because of Perro the nigga.
No, I'm not saying that, but there's going to be a reactor going to I'm like, yo, bro, this nigga.
I am better go to shit and so him.
Yeah, that's why it's in that shit. I come to work, you know. It's like I respect those dudes. Like only like creative control and shit. So
what? We turn like a cool cherry again. Hey, turn up.
Okay. Malam na nchirak.
I figure look after Perro by hey, I choose money. I petlisha ya petlisha, but hey, I also tell you to I'm a cheraba.
Yo, it's a battle, dog. It's a battle, dog. It's a.
You know what you signed up for.
You're like,
it's not allowed.
Bro, no rules for me. Is it no rules, dog?
No rules.
No rules. But closing it, how many battles have you won and how many battles have you lost, bro?
I've won more than I've lost.
Okay.
So I can't count, but I've won more.
Can't, eh?
But he loses some, I can count them.
Yeah.
I lost against Unde. And then not in the loser against DJ. But that was back then I was getting into it. But I've been winning ever since.
It's a, yeah. Cause
I lost against Unde, Umula. Okay, people can call it a debatable, but I feel like I won against him. And then
who's the judge? Nobody never judges.
No one judges.
No one judges.
We as judge away, now you told yourself.
So who win? Who not about who won the what?
It's the crowd who decide. You decide for yourself. So
why do you say yo you lost the match and?
Because I feel like after a battle, I'm honest with myself and it's toxic.
For real, dog. That's what happens, dog.
There's husband losing like it's a god body. Cause I choked. Yeah, the libala zongela is like the motherfucker. Okay, cool.
You're not disrespecting you or something. I'm just reacting, dog.
He came out swinging.
I'm crazy like that, bro.
But otherwise, I had some dope shit. But he
came out itching, dog. To
a point, I'm like, fuck.
Yo,
fuck. And the kaka went on for 10 minutes. Oh, that's called the pale kaka get 3 minutes.
Yo, I need you on the podcast.
Focus on rap.
Otherwise you'll choke on that shit, nigga.
This is Palazzo Jayam, I love you.
Yeah,
what's this one and him? It was his first battle.
That's my
but I'm the one who introduced him. Control. Hey, first battle, like open India, get pull her out. They were like, guys, then we talk.
Yo,
let's go head to head. It was so undermine.
Yo, I don't undermine that nigga.
That was the biggest mistake I've ever made.
Maybe you can have a review, but yo, they go perform on the nigga like yo. Dala like I mean on the USB arm, so I couldn't perform there.
I've been killing niggas after since
and he knows how you kill them, dog.
I've
like
been killing niggas.
So he knows where to go for you. But I like what their soul must be like a challenge, dog. So say closer, man. Yeah,
One must go.
Man, you sit to smash up us.
Ay, man, why?
And I don't know people in Masikas and my husband Masikas, so I wouldn't say like.
Whoa, buza kwenza smash up pass walapa.
Yeah, dog. Come about. Funny enough, today I'm gonna put them pictures right there.
Pass bonge cause I'm chole.
Yeah.
Never.
Are you jolling by the way?
Pass bonge,
Are you jolling by the way?
Yeah. For them, yes, for the sale. I would really, by the way. I feel like in the straight those questions.
Okay, man, again, because I see your post on Facebook, dog. But once I know them, back heard at you. Back heard.
Yes, you. Beyonce elaxesha ndansajola naye wandifunisa into eyi-1 but ndingabhelieve yonke into epostwa kufacebook. Otherwise ukhona umuntu ujo I'm happy.
I wish my chick could understand that shit because I'm the post at Facebook.
Xasemaphupheni I'm happy ukhona umuntu pha.
Yeah, that's good, bro. That's good. I thought you were single, bro.
Yeah,
I thought you were single, bro.
I'm not single.
Yeah. But you can't even come last day when I got Pick and Pay, dog. Yeah, artist, yeah, too, because we all about that. Yo, artist, yeah, man, shit. You remember that day when we went to Pick and Pay, dog?
Kankumbuz.
Okay.
I might have been drunk.
Kona you mean like Pick and Pay, call like my money. I couldn't send my money. A 6.
Yeah.
Couldn't send my money to a wallet. Yeah, I'm so. Oh, when like the struggle is, I mean, potato, they are full of food. Like, cook on my chair, a banchong, in the money. How about tomorrow, banana, and I'm lost and I'm maintaining no one. So, I'm like, yo, I'm scaling my lingen, boom, finally, young end. Excuse me. So, when I walk about, came in the veg, pack a pin, pay a figure in. Hey, artist, yeah, blah, Sultan, artist, then we pass in your main, love. And then these bitches come to me like, yo, hello Artie, I bought 6 years ago phone number. But yeah, hello Artie. About 6 years. Whoa, I'm in some ultimate.
Bro, I understand.
Now,
because most people call me artist.
Artist.
So, I'm going to assume by Kambalango
artist. The actual artist is because like, you would see like, money is about the banazi, but money is about the banalazi, Kamala. Because that thing is a brand. Like LIKOUR M. Plus at the same time, artist.
Because I wanted the name to be respected. Artist.
Artist, yeah, so.
And the menana when I pick us. Respect, I choose how to morning at each outside of the cast, we are recognized.
But in the Picasso, in Chongla, man. He's doing shit, they're like, yo, smart artist has a cast lamb, but when he was doing this shit, they're Picasso, like, yo.
So respective artist, that's how it is.
But how artists, like, yeah. And they would do that shit before. I was gonna get some booty, boy.
Nah.
But being about it, yeah, man. I'm gonna do that shit.
Yeah.
Before since I left, I just want to check something out there, quick.
Since the e-barrel of the petition, I'm not you know.
I was showing that way. One must go.
Oh, the game.
Yeah. This is my longest episode ever.
Emojo is a bailout. For Gufiguli, 30 minutes.
I was saying 30-40 minutes, dog. I don't want to fucking do shit, yeah, but so
Yeah.
But as I was saying, this is not the last episode. We're gonna do this shit more and more, dog.
That's what I said after
we're
this.
still gonna work, dog.
Yeah,
man.
Emoting.
All the time. Yeah, man.
With LIKOUR M.
And T-Max
Sounds like a great vision.
Yeah, man.
With T-Max pictures.
T-Max pictures. We gotta work, bro. We gotta do something. I gotta interview all of you niggas. When you're gonna hook up with one day or dog. Hook me up with Ulaki, dog. Hook me up with T-Max, dog. Everyone, dog. Cause yeah, dog. Hook me up, niggas.
Support.
Yeah,
we're from the same hood, so obviously, if I'm here, they're all gonna be here. Even
like show you, and I just wanna go there, show and shoot some. Like some videos, dog. Let's do a vlog. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna forget.
If you're there, was a perform.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna. So part time USB.
I was after Moskamale episode. I don't care.
One episode, one performance.
But I keep forgetting it. But I perform and I
everybody goes crazy when we play that shit, I'll check it though. If Peter and
remixing can be changed.
Yeah.
Remix, even the beat can be remixed.
Okay. Because I want to remake my song. Say samblish, right? No stress, dog. Because I want to record and cascade.
Because actually most of the way so now comes to the land.
We're gonna do it.
Okay, watch. But we're saying this is from maybe.
Let's not talk about it right now. Let's not talk about it right now, boy.
But yeah, what's the study came here because I didn't depend on the people.
Let's close it, bro. Let's close it on and on. Otherwise, I'm your boy. Anything you want to plug? Dog t-shirts, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm selling you t-shirts. Is here for my nigga. Idyan, the franchise, the push my young.
Yeah, bro.
It's been 3 years, bro. But
do other shit like bro.
We're still pushing it. Yeah.
So it was a fucking
hit me up, Facebook, LIKOUR M, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, all the platforms. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
as the children that Google,
you can get this nigga on Google.
Email address is there, everything is there. LIKOUR M, say Pusha Fits.
LIKOUR M, this.
Yeah, hustle.
I just want to say thank you, dog. Thank you, bro. Thank you for coming to the podcast.
Just the tip of the iceberg.
So this is just we got more shit to talk about.
And I want to leak it too much, no?
It's too much,
environment,
It's too much, dog. It's too much, dog.
Yeah,
I just want to say thank you, man, for pulling up to the podcast. There's still more to discuss, but maybe we gonna do this shit in the future, dog. Yeah, more. How we not the team yako? Fuck is Kalin. I'm gonna go to the show tonight, yeah, bro. I'm gonna go to the show tonight. But yeah, thank you very much, man. Special episode. LIKOUR M in the house, nigga. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much.
All day, every day.
All day, every day. That's my nigga, bro.
Moshe kanjani bathini disemotrain 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 Paul as